Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. I'm Markus Koht, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today I'm talking about the Lubera tea project. So at Lubera, in our North German nursery in Bad Zwischenahn and in Switzerland in Bux, we are breeding tea. Yes, Camelia tea, British tea. And perhaps we are the most Nordic tea breeding program worldwide. And what we are doing in the last years, we were testing different sources of tea seedlings. And we have selected one source from Korea, which has a very good quality, and the plants are very hardy in our climate, so overwintering very good. And also, for example, this spring we had a very severe night frosts in April, and most of the plants are recovering very well. And out of these plants we have now chosen 25 pest plants, and these 25 pest plants with different growth habits, compact, upright, broad, small leaves, big leaves, we are now selecting for tea quality. And that is only possible by making and drinking tea. Yesterday we tested live tea, which is the name we give to the fresh tea, with fresh camellia leaves and tips used in boiled water. And now we are testing green tea. We have produced yesterday this green tea by withering the leaves, and then we have stopped the oxidation process by having them in a pan, having them cooked, and then we have dried them out in a machine, and now we are having them with boiled water to test the tea quality. How to test the tea quality? The first is to look at the color, how green, how brown, how intense. Then it is to have the perfume, which is very earthy from this one, a little bit of sea tang. And then it is to look after the aroma, which is a little bit black tea wise in this tea. So no fruity aromas, no rhubarb aromas as you have them sometimes with green tea. So we will test 25 varieties of tea now, and in some years we will have different tea varieties on the market for different purposes. So more fruity ones, more black tea ones, more spiced ones, more perfumed ones with a jasmine perfume. And till then, from next year on, we will sell Lubera tea. It will be this Korean source of tea seedlings we will use, which are very winter hardy. We have selected a bunch of plants of them, which are now propagated vegetatively, and out of this we will sell a mix of this tea variety, and in some more years we will introduce different varieties with different characteristics. And for that purpose we have to drink tea, and we have to hurry now. So bye and see you later. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera.co UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.